Assuming you're searching for Nexo cost expectations gauge for 2024, 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the cost of Nexo will go from here on out. We will break down the past costs of Nexo and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you want to take this forecast and each and every expectation with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master examiners. Also, foreseeing something so amazing is totally inconceivable. However, we will make an honest effort. We should begin. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Nexo is $1.44 and Nexo is presently positioned #101 in the whole crypto environment. The core supply of Nexo is 560,011 with a market cap of $804.68,397. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Nexo's cost has shown a decent increment of 145% as of now. From most recent 7 days, the Nexo was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 964%. Nexo has shown areas of strength for exceptionally recently, and this could be decent and open door to dive right in and contribute. We anticipate future Nexo cost expectations. Nexo conjecture by applying profound man-made consciousness helped specialized examination on the past value information of Nexo. We give our all to gather most extreme, authentic information for the Nexo coin, which incorporate different boundaries like past value, Nexo market cap, Nexo volume, and scarcely any more. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into computerized digital forms of money and need great profit from your ventures, make a point to peruse our expectations. Nexo value expectation outline. Experts project a bullish pattern for Nexo in 2025, with costs possibly coming to $0.97 mark. The typical extended cost for Nexo in 2030 is supposed to be $15.78, with likely difference somewhere in the range of $15.25 and $18.33. Long-haul examination recommends that Nexo cost might actually flood to $1,588 by 2050. Nexo is expected to arrive at a greatest cost of $1.124 constantly to 2040. With the ongoing cost of $0.44, Nexo holds its ground on the lookout. Nexo value expectation 2024. The cost of one Nexo is supposed to reach at least degree of $0.71 in 2024. The Nexo cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $2.10 with the typical cost of $0.78 all through 2024. Nexo value forecast 2025. According to the gauge and specialized examination, in 2025 the cost of Nexo is supposed to reach at least value worth of $2.39. The Nexo cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $0.97 with the typical worth of $0.46. Nexo value estimate for 2026. According to the conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2026 the cost of Nexo is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $3.55. The Nexo cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $4.21 with the typical exchanging cost of $3.65. Nexo value forecast 2027. The cost of Nexo is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $5.20 in 2027. The Nexo cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $6.22 with the typical cost of $5.35 all through 2027. Nexo value forecast 2028. Nexo cost is conjectured to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $7.36 in 2028. According to our discoveries, the Nexo cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $9.09 with the typical figure cost of $7.62. Nexo value expectation 2029. Nexo cost is figured to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $10.45 in 2029. According to our discoveries, the Nexo cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $12.70 with the typical gauge cost of $10.76. Nexo value expectation 2030. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Nexo, in 2030 the cost of Nexo is anticipated to reach at least degree of $15.25. The Nexo cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $18.33 with the typical exchanging cost of $15.78. Nexo value gauge 2031. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Nexo, in 2031 the cost of Nexo is gauged to be at around a base worth of $21.92. The Nexo value worth can arrive at a limit of $26.26 with a typical exchanging worth of $22.71 in US. Nexo value forecast 2032. The cost of Nexo is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $34.7 in 2032. The Nexo cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $38.33, with a typical exchanging cost of $34.98 all through 2032. Nexo value expectation 2033. The cost of Nexo is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $48.45 in 2033. The Nexo cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $58.65, with the typical exchanging cost of $49.84 all through 2033. Nexo value conjecture 2040. The reception and certifiable use instances of a digital currency are similarly fundamental contemplations. Projects with useful applications and far and wide reception are bound to persevere over the long haul. According to the Nexo cost figure for 2040, Nexo is expected to arrive at a most extreme value worth of $1 to $124 in 2040. The base anticipated cost of Nexo coin in 2040 is supposed to be around $937 bait, while the typical cost of the Nexo for 2040 is projected to be $996.39. Nexo value gauge for 2050. Analyzing authentic execution gives setting. However, it is vital to perceive that previous presentation isn't demonstrative of future outcomes. According to the estimate and specialized examination, in 2050 the cost of Nexo is supposed to reach at any rate value worth of $1,385. The Nexo cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $1,588, with the typical worth of $1,440. Nexo value gauge facts. What amount will Nexo be worth in 5 years? In 5 years, Nexo will have a base cost of $9.09 and a most extreme cost of $7.36 per Nexo. Since Nexo is exchanged on a market interest premise, its worth varies definitely. What is the fate of Nexo? The eventual fate of Nexo is profoundly subject to the general exhibition of the crypto business. With regards to putting resources into Nexo, you really want to ensure that you are utilizing the right system. This kind of speculation isn't appropriate for those with an awry gamble profile. In any case, still a great venture for those who have a high capacity to bear risk and a strong monetary position. Notwithstanding its speculative nature, Nexo likewise offers openness to a worldwide innovation and a consistently developing biological system. What will be the Nexo most noteworthy figure cost for 2024? The Nexo cost is supposed to arrive at a most extreme degree of $10 toward the finish of 2024. What amount will Nexo be worth in 2030? As far as value, Nexo has an exceptional potential to arrive at new levels. It is figured that Nexo will increment in esteem. As indicated by unambiguous specialists and business investigators, Nexo can raise a ruckus around town cost of $18.33 till 2030. What amount does Nexo cost in 2025? The cost of Nexo will increment as additional financial backers engage in the venture. In year 2025, Nexo will be